Hey fam! You know that feeling when you find out your phone has been able to do something amazing this whole time, but you've been doing it the hard way for months? Yeah, that's about to be you with ChatGPT. I'm about to blow your mind with 5 secret ChatGPT features that are literally sitting right there in front of you, but most people have no clue they exist or plain forgot about. And once you start using these, you're going to be like, wait, I've been struggling with this for how long? Plus, I've got a killer bonus tip at the end that's going to save you so much time and frustration. So definitely stick around for that one. You'll thank me later. Control your memory. So here's something kind of wild. ChatGPT actually has a memory feature. Like, it literally remembers stuff about you between conversations. Your name, how you like to work, what you're trying to accomplish, all that good stuff. But don't worry, you're totally in the driver's seat with this thing. Just hop into settings, personalization, memory, and you can see exactly what is stored about you. Not feeling some of the stuff it remembers? No problem. You can edit or straight up delete whatever you want. Plus, you've got some cool toggle options in there too. You can turn off reference chat history if you don't want ChatGPT looking back at all your previous conversations when it responds. And there's also reference save memories that you can flip off if you want to stop it from saving and using those memories altogether. When you click manage, you'll see all your stored memories listed out. You can either pick and choose what to trash by hitting those little garbage can icons, or if you want to go nuclear, just scroll down and hit delete all to wipe the slate completely clean. It's basically like giving ChatGPT a fresh start whenever you need it. Pretty handy, right? Temporary chat. Sometimes you just want to mess around and brainstorm without ChatGPT remembering every random thought that pops into your head. That's where temporary chat is your best friend. Just start a new chat and click Use Temporary Chat up in the upper right corner. Here's what you get. Not in history. These chats won't show up in your sidebar later. Though heads up, they might keep a copy for safety stuff for up to 30 days. No model training. Your weird conversations won't be used to make ChatGPT smarter or anything. Memory off, ChatGPT won't remember what you talked about or update its memory about you. Your custom instructions will still work if you got those set up though. It's perfect for those what-if moments, testing out crazy prompts, or asking questions you don't necessarily want floating around forever. Search your chats. You know that feeling when you had this brilliant conversation with ChatGPT like 3 weeks ago, and now you're scrolling through a million chats trying to find it? Yeah, we've all been there. Because who deletes unwanted chats all the time? Yeah, me neither. Good news though, there's actually a search chats feature. Just hit search chat on the right-hand side, right under new chat, pop a keyword into that search bar on the left side, and boom, it'll pull up every chat where you mentioned that thing. No more endless scrolling through chats trying to remember which one had your breakthrough moment. It's like having a personal assistant who actually remembers where you put stuff. Click to create images. Okay, so if you've been using ChatGPT for a while, you've probably typed create an image of like 1,000 times. But here's the thing, you don't actually have to keep doing that. Remember that create button? Yeah, it's still there. Just click on that little tools icon and hit create image. Then type in whatever wild idea you want ChatGPT to bring to life. Super simple. And while you're poking around in that tools menu, you'll also see some other pretty cool options like run deep research, search the web, and write or code. It's like having a whole toolkit right there instead of having to type the magic words every time.
Magnificent.
Explore GPTs and create your own. Okay, this one's pretty mind-blowing. You can literally build your own customized version of ChatGPT that's tailored to exactly what you need, or you can check out other GPTs. Just hit GPTs in the sidebar and you'll see tons of cool ones other people have already made. There are coloring book GPTs, one specifically for Canva designs. And if you're obsessed with those DALL-E image generations, you can find it here also and save it on your sidebar like I did. Want something specific? Click Create and build your own from scratch. Like, let's say you want to make clip art with a certain vibe. You can do that. If you sell clip art, especially if you make bundles, this will come in handy. It's basically like having a specialized little AI buddy who already knows your vibe and what you're trying to accomplish. No more explain the same context over and over. Your custom GPT just gets it from the jump. The whole process is way easier than it sounds too. You just chat with it about what you want, give it some examples, and boom, you've got your own personal AI assistant that's perfectly dialed into your needs. And here's the cool part. You can keep your GPT totally private for just your own use, or if you're feeling generous, you can share it with the community so other people can benefit from your genius creation. If you guys want a quick how-to video on making your own GPT, just comment below and let me know. I'd be happy to walk you through the whole process. Bonus tip, custom instructions. Okay, I don't know about you, but I can't stand having to constantly tell ChatGPT stuff like, be more casual, or don't be so formal, or remember, I'm a small business owner every single time I start a new chat. It's exhausting. That's where custom instructions come in clutch. Just click on your profile pic on the upper right side, customize ChatGPT, and fill in the questions, how you want ChatGPT to respond, like your preferred tone and style, and what it should know about you, your job, interests, whatever's relevant. Now your GPT is basically your digital twin, fun, chill, and ready to roll without you having to give it a personality makeover every conversation. It's like having a friend who actually remembers how you like to communicate instead of starting from scratch every time. Because who has time for that? Not me. So now you've got 5 secret ChatGPT features, plus a bonus to level up your creator game. Which one are you trying first? And honestly, this is just scratching the surface. There are tons of other cool things ChatGPT can do. Like you can share your screen with ChatGPT now, or find that graphic you worked on weeks ago in the library without having to scroll through a million chats looking for it. My point is, ChatGPT can do way more than most people realize. Don't forget, if you want a quick tutorial on how to create your own personal GPT, drop a comment and let me know. I'll definitely make that happen for you guys. So yeah, hit that like button if you learned something new, subscribe if you're all about leveling up with AI, and as always,